Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to the channel where we break down complex financial topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to buy stocks on Raymond James, a straightforward guide for anyone looking to dip their toes into the stock market through this trusted platform. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. First off, what's Raymond James? It's a well-established financial services firm that offers brokerage services, helping individuals like you and me buy and sell stocks, bonds, and other investments. Before we jump in, remember that investing always carries risks, so do your homework and consider consulting a financial advisor. Let's get to the steps. Step 1. Open an account. Head to the Raymond James website or download their app. You'll need to provide some personal information like your ID, social security number, and employment details. Once submitted, it might take a few days to get approved. Step 2. Fund your account. After approval, link your bank account or transfer money directly. This is where your capital comes from, so start with an amount you're comfortable with, maybe $1,000 to begin. Step 3. Research stocks. Use Raymond James's tools to analyze potential investments. Look at company performance, read news, and check historical data. Tools like stock screeners can help narrow down options based on your goals, whether it's growth or dividends. Step 4. Place your order. Log in, search for the stock you want, and decide on the type of order, market for immediate purchase or limit to set a specific price. Confirm everything, and voila, you're a stockholder. Finally, monitor your investments. Keep an eye on your portfolio through the app or website, and don't forget to rebalance as needed based on market changes. There you have it. That's how to buy stocks on Raymond James in a nutshell. Investing can be exciting, but always prioritize education and caution. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.